Welcome, friends of our homestead. This week we milled a lot of lumber. We changed our plan, I don't know how often this week. We start mowing the grass for hay and had lots of trouble with our compact tractor. After we fixed our sawmill last week, we have to mill a lot of lumber to finish our goat barn project because we ran out of lumber. And we need still a lot to finish that goat barn project. We have to finish the walls and we have to build 4 more doors. We upload every Sunday a new video on our YouTube channel. After the sawmills don't cut any more nice boards, I decide to stop work with her to find out where the problem was. Much maintenance and a few adjustments that costs us 3 days of this week. The adjustments I made on the sawmill I like to show you in one of the next videos. We lost our first cut of the hay because of rain, and now we try it again with the second cut. And in the case we can really trust the weather forecast, the weather should be good this weekend, so maybe we have a couple more hay bales next week. Most of the work was done when we had a flat tire on our tractor. Most things like that are happen on a weekend, on a Saturday or a Sunday, when every store or every garage is closed and you can't get any parts and you have to find a solution to get that problems out of the world. So we tried to fix that problem with an excavator. If you like our videos and what we do, please subscribe for our YouTube channel. That costs you nothing, hurts nobody and helps us a lot. And if you turn on the notification, you are always up to date if we post a new video. We try to never give up, but in that case we had no luck. Which means we have to go to buy a new tractor tire if the stores are open. But doesn't matter, the hay is laying on the ground, it have to be turned and it have to be baled, so we need to find another solution. So we had no other choice than to use the big tractor. I really don't want to use that heavy machine on the pasture because of it makes very deep tracks in the grass, in the soil, and I don't like that. Next, try to get that job done. If you don't have a spare tire for the tractor, you should have a spare tractor and everything is good. She never give up. So we definitely need good weather for tomorrow to get our hay baled with the mini hay baler on the big tractor, and on Monday we need a new tire for the compact tractor. That's it for this week's video. Thanks guys for watching it. If you like to support us a little, you can buy us a coffee. I put the link for you in the description down below, and we see us next week.